Health insurance can cost hundreds of dollars every month, and even after your coverage kicks in, you could still be on the hook for a big bill.
However, some patients have found for certain medical procedures it's cheaper to pay out of pocket than filing an insurance claim.
Reporter Carrie Beal is at an MRI clinic in Greenville, South Carolina, with an in-depth look at how it works.
Greta Fuller is looking at photos of her 10-year-old son.
Swimming, football, soccer, basketball, all the things.
But in the fall of 2024, everything came to a stop. He was sidelined by severe abdominal pain. His doctor recommended he get an MRI.
The doctor was having a little bit of a hard time getting insurance to approve the MRI.
Not wanting to waste time, she decided to go somewhere else.
I was able to get Seth in that day.
Imago in Greenville doesn't take insurance. Instead, patients simply pay out of pocket. An MRI scan is about $500.
That was amazing because we had to talk with friends who've spent $2,000 after insurance.
Feeling like it's getting a bit better?
She's not the only patient choosing to pay out of pocket. Palmetto Proactive Imaging Center in Spartanburg is another self-pay location that recently opened.
It's just me right after a play, getting the next play for the team.
DJ Horton took his son Gray to the clinic for an MRI.
The genesis of our need really came from some pain that he had consistently in one of his knees. He's very active.
They were given a discounted rate because they have a membership with Palmetto Proactive Primary Care.
So we had both knees, and out of pocket, I think it was about $350 to $400 per knee.
The cost for a non-member MRI at Palmetto Proactive is usually $500 to $600, which is a far cry from what hospitals charge.
There is so much red tape, and there are so many layers of complexity in the traditional insurance route. It's a great option.
Hospitals are required to post their prices online. You can usually look this up with the Price Estimator tool. So I looked up the cost of an MRI on the leg because that is what this little boy had. The two big hospital systems would charge about $2,000 if I pay cash. They often offer a discount when you don't use insurance. But get this, if I use my insurance, it would actually be more, around $3,500 for an MRI because I've not met my deductible.
I'm just so happy to see him loving life, living life.
Both parents say their kids got the treatment they needed after the MRI and are healthy.
We thought this was a much better economical decision, but it's also been way more than that.
We were just really thankful to be able to get that done quickly, affordable, have some information, some thoughts on how to move forward.
It's important to note if you get an MRI at one of these clinics, it does not go towards your insurance deductible. It's simply an expense you pay out of pocket. Some urgent care clinics and doctors' offices take insurance while also offering self-pay pricing, but we talked to doctors who have ditched insurance completely, saying the middlemen in the system often contribute to higher costs. Instead, they offer what's known as direct primary care.
It's kind of like Netflix. We talk about that as another kind of subscription-based. You can watch as many shows as you want, or you can watch no shows.
For a monthly, quarterly, or annual fee, patients can get unlimited doctor visits, annual exams, flu shots, x-rays, and much more.
We'll put in stitches if somebody needs stitches, if they cut their finger, skin procedures, if we need to take care of skin cancer, if we can handle it here, we'll do it, and it's all for that one monthly fee.
He says patients are often able to schedule same-day appointments and get more time with their doctor. According to the American Academy of Family Physicians, monthly membership fees range from $50 to $100.